Private schools, including those which have combined elementary, middle, and high schools, typically possess larger campuses as well as more staff and faculty to achieve and maintain their operations. With larger facilities to manage, a two-way radio system which connects departments and on-campus facilities would be ideal. In this case, the CP200D would be a great option. This 4-watt radio would provide clear communication and optimal coverage. That being said, if these 4-watt radios are not enough, adding a repeater would definitely boost signal and provide the coverage needed. With a larger team comes the need to charge more radios. A multi-unit radio charger would be ideal in this situation in order to assure that the handhelds are consistently and properly charged and accounted for. Maintenance and security are other important departments within these school systems. Accessories which work as great options for these areas include the 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece, as well as the G-Hook earpiece. Switch out these 2-wire surveillance kit earpieces among employees with a simple replaceable clear tube and memory foam ear tip, and wipe down the G-Hook for future use. Another accessory which would benefit maintenance workers would be the CP200D shoulder microphone. With this, communication becomes hands-free and extremely efficient. Rather than having to carry a two-way radio in hand while performing tasks, the shoulder mic offers the ability to leave that radio on your hip, while effortlessly utilizing the push-to-talk button on the shoulder microphone to transmit messages. Hands-free communications are key in creating seamless maintenance and security for private school facilities. For more information on a custom communication system for your private school, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.